Hello guys, we are back with the second Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on, yes, it's still Wednesday, September the 23rd, 2020. The second Sudoku is a 2 Stars Sudoku, and this will be a number 1597. And let me count how many printed digits this Sudoku has. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16, 17, 18, 19, plus 3 is 22, plus 4 is 26, equal to 26, yes. Alright, one less than the previous one. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about A4 in this column, A4 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so in the row between, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so in the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 4. I need more digits to solve them. Let me see. How about 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for a 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then a 9 in this column, a 9 in the second column, so in the first column the only place for the 9 should be there. How about yes, in this big square, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So that 1 could be here or could be there. So we have a 1 in one of these 2 boxes in the third row, a 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then yes, in the middle row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, here or there. And look, here 1, there 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now I can continue with the 4. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, the third row, 4 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, yes, alright. Let me see, 3 should be here. Well. 2. Yeah. 5, 6. How about the 7 in this column? 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 7 should be there. I need more numbers. 3. Yeah. We see. Yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. So in the last row, we have a 5 in one of these 2 boxes. In that row, we have a 5 over there. So in the row between, only 2 places for 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1. Yeah. 2. Yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2. No 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So in the first column we have a 2 over here. In the second column we have a 2 in one of these 2 boxes. In the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about this big square? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 2 boxes. There are 6. No 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only place for the 6 should be there. Then. How about yes, these 2 numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 7, no, we have the 8 and the 3. 8 and the 3. And look, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 7 in this big square. 3 and a 7, we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 9 is missing here. Yes, the 9. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and an 8 goes there. And how about these 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. I cannot fill this yet, but I can mark them for you, so it's easier to follow because those are pairs. These 2 are pairs. Yes, because the other pair should be the 8 and the 2. 2 or the 8, yes. Mark them for you again. This pair should be the 1 and the 8. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair should be the 7 and the 2. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between. The middle row, the only place for the 2 should be here. 1 box left in this middle row for the number 8. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 8. Alright, so 3 boxes left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 5 should be here. And the 1, 5 and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. The 1 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in the middle column for the numbers 1 and 8. We have here a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 8 goes there. Here also 2 boxes left for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3. 1 box left in this column, the last column for the number 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and no, we have a 7, the 5 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 5. Then 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 8 goes and there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 8 and the 7. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. And the final 2 numbers here, the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes again. I like this one. 2 Stars Sudoku. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon in a minute with a 3 Stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.